Hey, Jason here from Electric Bike Technologies. I want to talk to you a little bit about wattage. We get the question here at E-BikeKit a lot about watts. People email us, they call and they ask, is this 1,000 watts? They see that a lot on the internet. It's very pervasive, 1,000 watts. So I'm here to clear things up a little bit. I know others have done videos similar. This is for ebikekit.com. We have 500 watt motors. These here are actually what's called direct drive motors. That's another video to explain that. This is called a geared motor, but they're both 500 watts. And what that means is that they will run cool forever at 500 watts, okay? That's not exactly what they can take though. They can certainly take 1,000 watts going through them. Now here's where watts comes from. Watts, the actual formula for watts, is going to be amps, that's amperage allowed, by the controller. In this case, it's 20 amps with the E-BikeKit controller. So it's the amps allowed by the controller, in this case 20, multiplied by the voltage of the battery that you use. Now, E-BikeKit can be used at 36 or 48, but now we only offer 48, long story there, but 48 volts times 20 amps from our controller is going to yield 960 peak watts of power. So you're close to that 1,000 watts of power that you want, and that's fine to run through these 500 watt motors. Now, 500 watt is nominal. That's the phrase that they use where it's rated at 500 watts. So it's 500 watt nominal, and that's how we quote on the website as well. We say 500 to 1,000 with 48 volt battery. That is how we're coming to that number, and that is peaks. So we quote nominal. This is a real honest way to do it. We quote nominal 500 watt with the peaks of 1,000, because 1,000 is what you get when you run a 48 volt battery through a controller that will allow for 20 amps, for really 960 to be exact. So that's how watts work. If anyone tells you they've got a 1,000 watt motor, it's most likely that it's false advertising. I mean, you know, they may be giving you 1,000 watts peak because they're giving you a 48 volt battery and they're giving you a 500 watt motor and they're giving you a controller with 20 or maybe even 22 amps allowable. And that's why they're quoting you that. But what they're really quoting you is the peak. So I hope this video helps you to understand that, you know, 500 watt nominal, 1,000 watt peaks. If you're seeing comparables and all they're telling you is 1,000, it's likely a 500 watt motor and they're quoting you the peak wattage output of that motor. Bit of false advertising. We don't do it that way. So I hope that clears it up. By the way, if you had a real 1,000 watt nominal motor, it would be about twice as heavy as this. It would have much bigger magnets inside, and it would not be super efficient for most e-bike applications. So anyway, 500 watt nominal, 1,000 watt peaks, amps times voltage equals wattage. Now you know. If you have any questions, let us know.